In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to auto-update your apps on your Google Play Store. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type play.google.com and hit the enter button. That will be actually your home or your main screen. And of course, you would like to be logged in into your account. Of course, if you are now logged in into your account, you will need to go at the top right corner icon here. You'll find it empty. Click on it, and you will be able to log in into your account or even to create your account if you don't have one. Of course, you will be able to do these two options even with your Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. And of course, trust me, it will be much faster. So once you did one of those two options, then you're already logged in into your account. As we said, you'll find yourself here with this home page. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to auto update our apps without keep updating them manually on the store. So of course, let me tell you, if you are on the Android first. If you are on Android, just go and open your Play Store application, and at the top right, tap the profile icon. Then tap Settings, Network Preference, and select the Auto Updates apps. Or click at the Auto Updates option, then select an option which is over any network to update app using either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Over Wi-Fi only to update apps only when connected to Wi-Fi. So if you want to update your applications just when are you using Wi-Fi and not the mobile data as well. And of course, if you are on PC, you will need to do that actually manually, or you can select a lot of applications and update them once. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.